Hello guys, good evening. Welcome to Joy's Kitchen. My name is Joy. I'm a Nigerian. I live in New York, capital city. And I have passion for cooking and I enjoy it more when I see people eat good meal. So on this channel, I'll be sharing with you how to cook Nigerian, local and continental dishes. You are all welcome to my channel. Keep watching. Please let me know where you're watching from so that I will send you a hug or a kiss. And don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like. Thanks! Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to prepare Ekpang Nkukwo. Ekpang Nkukwo is a Nigerian delicacy owned by Aqua Cross but loved by all Nigerians. And the ingredients in using to prepare Ekpang Nkukwo is cocoyam, which we have here. This is my cocoyam already peeled it. This is my cocoyam peeled and washed. This is my water yam. This is the main ingredient in using to prepare Ekpang Nkukwo. When you have cocoyam and water yam, the next thing is the leaf. This is cocoyam leaf. Let me show you how it looks like because I've already cut this one. This, the cocoyam leaf I'm talking about. I believe all you guys know how it is. But in case you don't know, this is how it looks like. Not the other one that is opening. The folded one is good to use in tying Ekpang Nkukwo. And this is how you will cut it. You open it. If you can see, you will see lines. So you put your hand, your finger, and grab this. This is your cocoyam leaf that you will use and wrap your Ekpang Nkukwo. So, I now move to this one. It is called Uyaiyak in my own dialect. The English name is Tetrapleura or adding fruits. Is one of the ingredients. And we have fish. You have cow skin. This is onions. This is my crayfish. Depend on the quantity that you want to use. You can use the one that is bigger than mine. The fish that is more bigger than mine. The crayfish. Depend on your choice. This is my seasoning, maki seasoning. This is my pepper. This is my periwinkle. I love this periwinkle part because you know Akwa Ibom people with this. So it gives you a great sense of eating Ekpang Nkukwo. This is my stockfish already cooked. This is my scent leaf. And here is palm oil, salt. Those are the ingredients using in preparing Ekpang Nkukwo. So the first step is to peel your cocoyam and water yam, wash it thoroughly. The next one is to grate it. You don't ground this one, you grate it with your grater, like I'm doing it now. Done with my grating, the next step is to, mix it together. I have to mix the water yam and the cocoyam together. This is how I'm mixing it. Mix it together for it to be smoothly mixed. Then mix it again. Alright, it is well mixed. Okay. Now that I've finished mixing it, I will have to tie it and put it in my pot now. Here is my pot. What I will do is to pour my periwinkle. Oh wow. I can't wait. Then this is my palm oil. I will pour it alongside with the periwinkle as much as I want it. Okay. Okay, that's all. I don't need to put anything again for now. All I need to do is to start wrapping my Ekpang Nkukwo with the wrapping leaf. This is the wrapping leaf. This is how I place it in my palms. Then I now cut the Ekpang, put it this way, roll it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. Now put it in my pot. Pick another one. Cut it. You can cut it anyhow you want to cut it. Big, small, so far it enter the leaf. You are okay with it. Okay? Roll it. 1, 2, 3. Good. Pick another one. That's how I'm going to roll it, to wrap it till I finish everything inside this bowl. Please let me know where you are watching from, and don't forget to subscribe for your girl. Thank you. Place it on my gas, and on the gas. Oh, this thing. So the next thing, I'll put this thing that I call Uyaiyak. I'll place it, and here is my hot water. Don't forget, I did not put anything water inside here when I started. Just periwinkle and oil. So now place my hot water here by the side, not at the middle. Okay, I'm watching it. Okay, see the water has started coming up. I can see the water now. So I will not put another water again. That will be all for now. So now we need to cook it for 10 to 15 minutes in order to make the wrap to done, so that it will not inch. How is it? Wow, it has already started boiling. Okay, this is a good one. So all I need to do is to put my turner inside and turn it. Okay, it's come out 1-1 now. Look at it. Okay. I'll make sure I turn everything. So the next thing now is to put all my ingredients inside. Starting with my crayfish, my fish, cow skin. This is my cow skin. This is my onion, already chopped onion, already steamed cow skin, and already washed fish. Okay, here is my crayfish. Alright, here's my pepper. I love fresh pepper, so I go with fresh pepper. You can use dry pepper, you can use fresh pepper. Here's my already steamed stockfish. Oh wow. Here's my seasoning. So I will add 2 spoons of this. And turn it again. As you can see, there is not enough water to use and steam the ingredients very well. So I will need to add a little water again. You can add cold water this time if you wish. Okay. So I will still leave it for 10 minutes now to steam before we come back for the final stage. Okay guys, so let's see how it goes. Wow. Okay. Okay. turn it. Oh, I guess my phone is smaller. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, it is well cooked. You can even eat it now. What I will do now is to test it to see if all my ingredients is okay, like salt, pepper. It's okay. It's in order. Okay. There's no salt. I have to add a little salt. Okay. A pinch of salt. Not too much. I don't like salt. Pepper is okay. Every other thing is okay. Let me add my remaining seasoning. Okay. That's it. Okay, guys, you can see it now. It's coming out good. And the sizes are very long. So all what I will need to do now is to use knife and cut it into two. So that when I scoop it, I'll be able to put it in my mouth like this. I'll use my knife and cut it like this. Okay. So after cutting it, you will use your eye and check how the food is. For me, it is thicker. So I need to apply a little water again. Okay, very small. That's it. Okay, and turn it. Turn it to my desired. Alright. Okay. Alright. I'm done. Next thing, I will need to add my oil. And put on my gas again. Add my oil to make it, to give me my desired color. Then add this scent leaf. Ekpang Nkukwo is ready. Feel free to join me if you wish. Just tell me where you are. I will deliver it to your doorstep. Here we go. Wow. Tastes good and great. A very simple way to prepare Ekpang Nkukwo. That will be all for today. Now I'm going to serve my Ekpang Nkukwo. Very sweet. I love it. Thank you for watching.